Good morning, folks. It's, what day are we on? Friday? It's Friday. And we're, how would you say, preparing for an invasion?
Bracing.
Bracing for an invasion? A southern invasion at that.
Southerners. A couple of northerners, 2 or 3 northerners. Right.
So, shall we tell the folks what's happening?
Tell them.
Alright folks, this weekend is the Great Tommy Sleep Out and also the clearing of this air raid shelter, which we'll show you inside in a moment. We've got some sort of semi-well-known YouTubers coming, haven't we?
Well, some say.
Yeah. Keep watching and you'll find out who they are. So in the meantime, we'll show you inside the air raid shelter. After you, good sir.
Oh, very good, yeah. Sorry, I was miles away there.
Yes, I think for health and safety, the steps really do need a clean off before we begin. So, how grim can things be?
Oh, can we see anything or not?
Yeah, we can actually.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. So yeah, we've got
everything from toilet bowl, float bowls, sinks, cling wrap,
rope.
You might need that.
I wonder if Fez wants another high Fez.
Fez matching, yeah, for Fez. Okay, I don't know if it's right size.
We've all got to lick that at some point.
Yeah, nice bit of asbestos.
Yep. Premium quality.
Cat flap. Put that in your new accommodation.
Do you reckon that is for a stove chimney pipe? It looks of about the right diameter.
The right distance, I should say. So we'll be keeping that. There's lots of stuff to be keeping.
Okay, but we've also got, folks, a lot of ash. I mean, there must be, what, 5 foot at the end?
Yeah, I'd say as good as, what, 4 ton?
Definitely. And there could be absolutely anything in it, including rats. We don't know. We're also hoping the escape hatch up there, I suspect the farmer may have knocked it off so he could throw his rubbish down to burn it. So what's the chances of the escape hatch being under all the ash? So I suppose we have to prepare for our guests to arrive.
Yes. Right.
So we have a trailer to put the ash in. Bit of a step up that, isn't it?
It is a bit of a step up. We need somebody who's a bit lanky.
Yeah.
How much you? No, you're alright this end, look.
That is true. As long as this wind stops blowing like it is.
We can put Jazz in there, she can...
Well, I did wonder about just stacking 2 people in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Might get messy. So yeah, this weekend's all about raising money for charity and also emptying the air raid shelter so it can become a display at the museum. So, our first volunteers have arrived, folks. Go take a look. So we have some misfits here. Some faces you might recognise.
Oh yeah, did you want us to wait for you?
No, not really. I'll watch it on your video.
Yeah, I've got a time lapse going. I'm sure Ian will let you borrow it. We've got drone going as well. Yeah, got drone.
Yeah, we can see the drone there. Tent's going up, folks. Good morning, folks. It's now Saturday morning, and Yeah, I would have filmed more last night, but alcohol got involved and yeah, the camera didn't come out. So we're just having a little walk round to the campsite of the YouTubers that are already here. We're still waiting for 3 Jesses to come so we can make a start on the air raid shelter. So let's have a walk round to the camp and see what they're doing, folks. Yeah, we have a Blown8 cylinder. Here they are filming already.
He's recording as well, folks.
I am.
Cylinder 8, what is it?
Blown8 cylinder.
First aid going on.
Everyone's gonna die.
Need first aid now.
Don't die on camera.
And slips over.
Don't die on camera. Not yet.
Oh, you're still recording?
Yeah.
Nice.
Has Fez gone to the shop now then? No.
Where is he then? Currently booking a hotel.
Woolly hat.
I've got woolly hat.
We've got woolly hat.
No more woolly hats.
Oh, we'll go get it.
Did you not think, oh, I'll take Dad's woolly hat? You've got to leave the labels on though.
Oh, I already took mine off yesterday.
Well, this is the campsite, folks. What could possibly go wrong? So, we're all here ready to go, just waiting for the arrival of Hell on Earth. I suspect they're going to be late. Well, they've chickened out. See what this rabble are up to.
Hello, folks.
Surprise, surprise, who were we waiting for?
Hell on Earth. That should have been here 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes? 5 minutes, it's not on.
Give a message out, see where they are.
Could start, couldn't we, without them?
They want to film it.
We don't care about Hell on Earth, let's just start. Not them.
It's started now, isn't it? It's gone 10 o'clock, we're supposed to be near, they're supposed to be filming. It's unfortunate for them, we've got to start.
They didn't respond, no?
Content
in the car.
I tried to put a picture of Ian sitting on that bomb. We're trying to get it in the chat. Unfortunately, it edited out the bomb, so it's just Ian.
Well, did it edit out the bomb?
This bit or that bit?
It only seems to take human shape.
Oh.
Yeah, because I tried just.
I was
need to do a bit.
Yeah, I tried to stick
You
it
can
in.
see the boredom set in.
Yeah, I tried to take him out of the bomb. I have to see if I can get to Photoshop it better.
Send the photo to me.
Oh, that was close.
But I deleted it quickly because that was.
Oh, there we go, come on.
Johnny gets hands on that, that would be bad.
It'd make it look like he's riding Jimmy Savile or something like the photo that was in there.
Are you trying to get it in the cup?
Yeah.
Great audio on the back of this video.
We've seen the name I've given
Here
Nell
they
in
come.
chat.
Hey?
We've seen the name I've given Nell in chat. They've only just added L to the chat.
Well, no.
What are we calling him?
Timu Jesus.
That's actually quite good.
Oh, that was useless like that.
Oh, you know, like that one kick.
I can just see all the group photos scrolling through everything.
I honestly just feel sorry for the others. Because they're going to
We're
be on it
here.
later.
Well, you bloody not.
Yeah, you might be there,
In
but you're not
spirit.
here.
In spirit.
Don't copy me. Neil's ringing you.
No,
He said he wouldn't ring it till Monday.
All stand for him, give him a round of applause.
Yeah, just so we just...
You might want to move some chairs if let them pull in here.
Ready?
No, we've got to do that noise.
Right, now all run to your vans.
Oh, that was close.
Good morning. Yeah.
Where do I park it?
Down the field.
Where would you like to park it?
I don't care, do shit. Anywhere where it won't get
just
nicked.
dump it here for now.
Could be there.
And we'll have a walk round so you can see what's what.
Okay.
And then we'll take it from there.
Is this like a... Is it like a gangbanger or something?
Oh yeah, well,
You
fan
got
club.
your keys in the bowl when you're done.
right, let's turn park.
Well, with the full team here, time to make a start, folks. Could possibly go wrong. We're professional here.
Oh, you're there? I thought you were in there.
No.
You started already? Only one? One left you.
We're all just here to watch him. There's only one I can see, so you
Don't be silly.
Trust the wind to get up.
ID collections there. Bottle.
Goodies.
Botanically brewed bottles are the brown ones. I'm sure that's in my mark jar.
It will be, yeah.
Paste jar.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, that's
give it up, I prefer asbestos.
Churchill.
I bet he made it himself. Golden gems.
One of them. That one. Out. I've still got the tape there.
Victorian lemonade.
Yeah.
I don't think it will be Victorian.
Nah.
No.
You've been chucking all your booze in there.
Yeah.
Is that one night?
I'm trying to admit I've not got a problem to hide it. Looks a bit grim, really, doesn't it?
We're going to find Eddie's evil twin down there, you know that, don't you? Or is he the evil twin?
Might have gone off.
Why are you lying to your face?
Why are you lying?
What, you know you got blood all over your back?
This is a bird.
Yeah, that is better. Better.
Oh, really?
Just this copper pipe that looks like sand, it's like sister side. Like what? Each
I hate you.
Nice way to do that, Al.
Take out.
Now do it.
I hate you. I didn't mean to actually kick that. My apologies, good sir.
Father.
You did, you
Sir,
said,
where's your good sir?
I'm talking to you, Chris, because you're only good around here.
What's this?
Connect the battery.
Connect the battery.
Connect the battery.
I didn't. So quick one over here. You do know you're supposed to take the little tape, don't you?
Come on, Chris, use your brain.
No, there's one on the other side as well.
No, there is one.
That's why you can't see through.
Listen.
Well, you can't see down there anyway. So.
I'm not going down there, Chris.
Listen to Chris, he's had a lot of experience with riot police.
Normally we're only digging holes to bury stuff in. Now we're digging holes to sleep in.
Are you sleeping down there with us?
No.
Oh. You ready, Ian? Catch. Boo.
What? An example how much his gloves are brand new.
I think you're being really abusive to us.
I'm only kidding.
No, none of that. It's slagging you off.
Fair enough.
Just making sure we hadn't buried it. Not true, I love this man.
Okay. As long as you know there is absolutely no respect backwards. It's alright.
Straightforward, man.
Can I stop? I've done enough for video.
I'm going to cut all the bits where you're working out now.
You can't remember.
I've not used them yet though. Not a chance because we keep drinking bloody cider.
When you go into therapy after doing this,
We'll get therapy.
What's he trying to say?
Hurry back it.
It's not chuck a bucket.
bucket down the escape.
Just take it to an hour. Just keep it down there.
That's the best way to do it.
No, you kicked it. Blame you.
Have you given up here?
Yeah.
Water.
Mind you back.
Where's he gone?
No, I kept missed this golden
He's
escape.
half five this morning.
Johnny still needs to stay.
Hey,
The other time.
You know what, Johnny needs to be spayed.
Have they got more in there?
No,
Which
take
one
a
have they
spade.
got?
they've got one of the big new ones that Johnny bought.
Yeah, I need that.
Johnny bought. I'll give him
Head on
credit.
airport.
Who sacrificed the bucket?
What?
Oh, you work with it?
I've got to set them back there off back into stock when I get to
Oh my
work.
god.
Yeah. Did work, did it?
What? Just to cover the cat.
Yeah. Somebody will want to look at it.
No, yeah, no, just on the stairs.
I'm not saying the air raid shelter's grim, but... Hey, kitty kitty.
Kiss it.
Only if you do.
Get back to Mike's together.
I'll tell you what, you kiss that and I'll kiss you after. Alright, pass it round. Show the look. Yep.
I can't do the big one.
He said no, but I mean I offered. So it's the main thing, isn't it? That's up somewhere. Take a look.
Yeah. Maybe?
Chris, catch. I'll keep his traps. That's a cooker element.
Hi Chris.
Trust your dad to them. I don't know that.
Huh?
I don't know your dad.
I didn't hear Dad.
Chris's daughter. Chris, you've got a daughter. I think you were
We're going to watch the
15-year-old and a 2-year-old.
gear now.
But Jazz, this is the first time she's seen you. She's like,
from the bunker.
What's wrong with it?
no, she like do weird things.
Ah, yeah.
Where's the bucket of
What? People don't like it. There's a lot of blokes in there. It's really nice.
You'll bury your body.
Now, John, if you want to finish.
Say that again.
You want to bury your body? Call Johnny. Right? He's still digging.
Told him a what?
Don't tell me doing that. I don't think I'm doing it. Keep up my appearances. Hello, good sir.
Hello.
Working hard and hard work.
Get a beer later.
More than a beer.
No spirit.
Cheap.
I got all those shots, didn't I?
Yeah. Yeah, the special flavoured monster.
Disgusting down there.
48 test tube.
Byron.
Who?
Jump up there just on grab 3.
Have you not seen the shots?
Just for a minute, just on grab 3.
Oh yeah.
48 of them.
I thought it was them glow stick things that you snap.
No, they're shots. They're 10% alcohol shots.
So those glow grip things that you
No.
snap.
They're 49p.
You
So
ever drink one of those?
no, because they're poisonous.
Make your tongue shine.
There's a
I've had it in
camera
my
in that.
eye. And someone thinking it.
Do I need to recover?
No, I think you've been in it.
Why have the green cokes appeared?
Your dad brought it in the water.
Not a bad idea. Hey? Put it in the bucket, I think. I think you can get it out.
Figured out what that was. Some sort of fan was doing something exploding out of it.
Oh.
Don't know what.
Got it, Chef. Crack it.
It's not we're digging like the blitz looking for like injured people.
That is interesting.
It's a bullet, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't think it is.
I took it out.
No. We'll do it again, and if I know next time.
That'll do. It did its job.
I mean, I found
Good
two.
to be sure.
I didn't know if it were one of ours or not, so I just kind of kept it there, and then if it weren't one of ours, we could have.
Did you stop it recording?
What?
Did you stop it recording?
Yeah.
Nice stainless steel.
Get out here and inhale the dust.
I made a job, so this is my job.
I've got to go.
And then do that.
Step over the bucket.
Ian,
Going, yeah?
it's raining, all weird stuff. Hi Ian. You've got the rock steamed up.
I know, bad, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Is it hard work, Ian? Yeah?
Not used to hard work.
No.
I can tell.
I did say family. I'll say family, I'll say it again.
Can you please have your story? Hello, I've arrived. You can see here where it was, up down there. Oh wait, I won't record it. Start that again.
Ah, you fucker, you still on me foot?
I'm being at you, I won't record it, I want you to say something again. Go on, sorry. You can see there where the line down the wall where it all was.
That's
here.
nice, better.
It's down here. Someone's just chanting.
It's like being in a fucking market.
Foreign one, isn't it?
I'll film the line for it. But after that, you're going to have to start paying this.
It's fucking hell, Andy, what is that?
I do pay, I buy stuff off your internet website.
That's like my cat litter tray.
Tip it into that
I
one.
can't argue with that, can I? He's wearing one of our hoodies.
That's a knockoff.
It's a what?
It's a knockoff, he made it own.
Not then. That's graphite.
Apparently we're filling up like cat litter trays.
Reactor's blowing.
Look at your eyes. It looks cool. You look like you've got blonde highlights again. I'm really good, mate. Low testosterone. Can I pass you this?
Yeah.
Brave, these lads.
I actually...
No, you're fine.
The bravest out, I'm being honest.
Me?
Yeah, me and you.
Yeah, I'm
We're the
brave.
bravest here.
I'm brave.
Yeah.
Been around all these
We
fuckers.
have to use our brain.
It's waning.
Earlier, one of middle-aged men licked me lips at me.
Middle-aged, what's that?
Middle-aged men, that's everyone here, isn't it? Rude.
Is this what it's like filming an OnlyFans video?
It is.
No.
In Ian's bunker at home.
We don't supposed to mention that. It looks so fucking weird from this angle, you know, like a set of perverts.
Yeah.
Well, I had a small child.
Holy shit.
Before you do that, why don't you put the bucket underneath it?
That's fucking...
Free trial over that.
That's good.
To pay if I want to do more.
I'm doing something.
Oh no, it's real front.
You're brave, Eddie.
Well, I've got to bet the effort, haven't I? I'll keep coming.
You got any water?
Some down there, I think. There's some bottled ones there.
caravan? It is, yeah. Work smart, not hard. You're welcome. I'm going to go put your camera in a safe place. Okay. That was my point.
Who's that?
Thanks, Chris. You're such a gentleman. Love you.
Can't see who it is. Is that Andy?
Oh,
You look worried, Eddie. You look worried.
Would have seemed 2 people have escaped. Doubt they've gone to the toilet together. Imagine my shock.
Shit.
You rumbled. You rumbled.
He's on our team.
Yeah, make us a coffee as well.
What?
Huh?
Hey?
You want to film me? I've just been doing this.
You're making a good job.
She's doing a lovely job.
So it stops there, so it just keeps going that way.
Yeah.
It's a bit slidey.
It's
So
meant
the
to slope
rainwater-
that way so water doesn't run down the steps.
Otherwise you'll be a bit drowned.
Yeah, because, yeah, and a lot of these air raid shelters do flood.
Yeah. This one don't.
Bone dry, innit?
Fucking this one's dry, yeah.
Yeah. It's a sweep out, doesn't it?
That definitely
Good sweep out, bit out. With a few bits of like concrete repairs where bits of barrel comes through. I didn't expect even to put me on for it.
that's the end.
It's longer. This is probably a couple of hundred grams.
Yeah.
Collapses.
Yeah, yeah.
Nearly there.
This is all more dirt than.
Yeah, I used to burn things in here.
Yeah, I don't think there was enough bodies really, was there?
What was that, Eddie?
There wasn't enough bodies.
No. What was that cat?
Yeah. So we've all stroked the cat now, haven't we?
Is that a euphemism?
And it's on his, hours on his way.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, he's my new cameraman.
Apparently so, yeah.
Yeah.
I love it how Lloyd is just filming here and filming.
Well, it's fascinating.
Yeah.
So we're going to do streaming now, yeah.
You missed him going.
I ain't seen you for quite a few years, have I?
Watching Chris Hansen.
It's been the happiest years of my life.
That was on purpose,
Yeah,
wasn't it?
was, mate.
You're a focus.
I was liquidator. I think it was the important person coming through. Mr. Andrew, sir, I have arrived. Oh, thank you. My cameraman's here. And I didn't get the foot past yet.
Were you dressed like a giant cock?
Right to the wall. Nearly finished, Alex. Oh, right, sorry. Yeah. Cameraman. Albert.
Yeah, you can cover that.
Cameraman. So we're doing quite well, cameraman. We're doing this back and we've found out there.
Right.
Yeah.
So if we want to escape, we can.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Right.
Yeah. The other side of the there's Vicky, look.
These like precast, and they're like built somewhere and then shipped around.
Yeah, it's a company called Stanton.
Yeah.
In Nottinghamshire. And there's some test tunnels down nowadays in them. And there's 18 sections of precast concrete. And then there's 2 ends. And then used to come in pallet form.
Were they government
Pallet
issued?
bricks.
Did you?
Yeah.
Right.
War Ministry ordered them in this shape.
Your bolts there, put it back together.
Yeah, they just come as a kit, and then just the troops on site can build them. Concrete's really quite. There's a few voids, but they're not. It's not bad, is it? No, not bad at all.
It's not much fire damage. We've burned it.
Yeah, probably the heat.
Yeah.
Heat. Right away at the bottom of things.
Well, yeah, I don't think it's.
It might not have actually been attached at the bottom, just at the top, and the ashes held it there.
So pull it out. See?
Pull it out. The good thing is, the measurements are there
Well,
to make a new one.
You can copy it, yeah. You could put that in the museum.
That one, yeah.
And then,
Nice. Yeah, for those tall cupboards we can't reach.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's quite amazing because that other shelter doesn't have any ladders. But it looks like in really good condition.
well, yeah. The ladder's gone.
Well, then, on a scale of 1 to 10, Martin, how tired are you?
Probably about a 5.
5, that's not bad. You look knackered.
Thanks.
Ken's hungry. Getting hungry.
Well, that cat on barbecue.
How much to eat that cat, lady?
How much to eat the cat?
Yeah.
Cat goes against my morals.
Oh, God. Vegan, isn't it? You all eat dogs, don't you?
Yeah.
Get the fuel out at all times! Do not disrespect the fuel!
We get him arrested for that.
Probably, yeah.
Probably.
Well, they can't do that.
I like it how we brought the smallest bucket.
Yeah.
Yeah, we fun, John.
Oh, you're close, close.
Well, we have done most work, so we might as well tell them more of it.
Yeah, no. Haven't we, Andy?
Let's say we're nearly on that last bucket
Well,
full.
we said that, I've said that we've done most work, so we've got to take the
Camel works, yeah.
morale officer, haven't we? Been telling everyone how good of a job they've been doing.
Really good job.
The wolf-pack only are. He's got his little workout. Right. Yeah, pass it over. Yeah. Thank you, people. Do I have to do a bit of work now?
Yeah.
I'll put your camera in bush, alright?
Oh, yours.
Nice one, mate.
What are you doing? You brush it the wrong way. I'm brushing it into a pile. Put your back into it. It's a bucket. Do it harder, quicker. Faster. I'm being heckled. Yeah, I reckon that'll do that.
Whew. You've got to do at least one shovel.
Oh, go on then, Bob. Go on then, I'll do one. Right, that's me done.
Yeah, bucket's full. That's all done. I think we did quite well, that. That's overtime.
Time and a half.
You want to do one more paper to find? All papers and all that stuff, just packets in here.
That's where the...
You're a bit fucking quiet.
Sorry, sir.
Sounded like he was making it into lines.
What?
That's where the steps were.
Steps? No, you mean ladders?
You mean the back?
The steps were falling down.
Don't be filming this while I want to see it, man.
Do you want me to go grab your hard brush and brush all of it more to that end?
Done me. Is that alright?
That's a wrap. Is it beer o'clock?
God, I've done good.
Well done, Eddie.
Going an extra mile.
Do you know what I mean? I'm going to carry that off myself.
You can take that one, I'll take the one. Well, it's the next morning and they all did it, folks. They were all camping out in the tents, and hell on earth slept in the air raid shelter. So there'll be a video from them no doubt soon, which could be quite interesting. Let's go see if they're awake. Seems everybody's still asleep. We'll have a look at the camping area. Some people have moved already. ALW Andy has already left. He had a good night's sleep. Bodger's flat on the grass there. He's thrown his tent away and gone home. Carl and Sue were in the camper. And some rather soggy tents. I don't know, that's quite cosy. So yeah, the great Tommy sleep out, they all did it, folks. Nice. So yeah, hell on earth, they're still asleep in the air raid shelter. We'll give it a 5-star rating on the website. And here's the rest of them. Room service.
There's a picture of Jesus.
Room service. Good morning.
Morning.
How did we sleep?
That's so funny. Yeah, we slept well.
Nice one.
Yeah, it was lovely.
Are you going to leave a review on the site? Yeah, nice.
Although the Southerners tried to disturb us.
I did hear about that.
Yeah, our neighbours are wankers.
Yeah.
Morning, boys. You're being gassed out. Look at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah.
So
I'm going to have them evicted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've had them
See, we have a bit of pinkness to the floor.
decapitated.
Oh, but yeah.
So you're putting a price on the heads then of the Southerners?
Yeah.
Well, I was more thinking, I hope the smoke doesn't stain your lovely bunker.
Yeah, pink area shelter.
Oh dear.
Looks a lot bigger this morning.
Yeah, we've extended it.
I thought you must have done.
We were going to put a conservatory on it, but isn't
Well, the boss is on site, the landowner.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she seems in a good mood, so.
Oh, that's all.
Yeah, well, nobody died and things like that. Museum's still standing. Nothing burnt or...
That's a plus. Oh dear.
Fantastic time.
I was really warm, but not until it was cold.
Yeah, I got cold.
I was warm.
Yeah,
I was sending all my cold vibes down.
I still can't believe you fucking slept in a bunk bed.
That's really weird, right?
It's fucking stupid.
I woke up and I thought Al was underneath me. And I thought, what? Because I was going to sleep on the top originally.
Yeah.
I kept hearing him underneath me.
It's tiny though, isn't it?
The bunk bed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, did you
I thought it was taller.
Did you hear when Chris came down in night? Chris
In
came
the
back
night?
down, yeah. He got on here and we were spooning for a bit.
It is stuck in the door. We'll leave it in there, otherwise it makes out.
Hey, how you doing, folks?
Hello.
So you've been re-sticked.
Yeah.
Have you had a bath?
Not yet.
End of a session. Indeed.
Well, nobody died.
No, everyone survived. Quite a bit of drink last night, but
Certainly was.
everyone survived it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but just above the stick.
Bit of rain and
Yeah, certainly was some rain.
yeah.
You probably find the air raid shelter was probably the best place to be.
Yeah. Yeah.
I went down there this morning, it felt quite warm.
could have killed me, I'll be dead.
You will hear the rain hitting it.
Yeah.
Sonia, you gonna help?
Can't wait to see the Hell on Earth video. I'm not sure what just happened, folks, but the air raid shelter's empty, with thanks to IKS Exploration, ALW research team, who else do we have? Escape the Chaos, wolf.pack exploration from Instagram, and also the those kind of unknown ones, what were they called? I've forgotten the name now. Oh yeah, Hell on Earth. So yeah, big thanks to you guys and everybody else involved who made this possible. I've just realised it's really echoing in here. So folks, thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share the videos, and check out all the other channels. So on that bombshell, catch you on the next one.